Hello friends, welcome to Zeta Axis, and today we are going to discuss about Western Ghat Mountains. The Western Ghats are also known as Sahyadri Mountains, and they are a vast mountain range that runs parallel to the western coast of Indian subcontinent. The Western Ghats start from Tapti River in Gujarat and extend for 1600 km in the south till Kanyakumari, covering a total of 6 states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. It also passes through three union territories: Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Puducherry. The Western Ghats form western margin of Deccan Plateau. Now let's see how Western Ghats were formed. The Western Ghats were formed around 200 to 150 million years ago during breakup of supercontinent of Gondwana. During this breakup, the Indian subcontinent separated from Gondwana supercontinent. And during this time, the Indian subcontinent and Madagascar were one continuous piece of land. And the Western Ghats were spread across Indian subcontinent as well as Madagascar. Around 100 to 80 million years ago, due to tectonic movement of plates, a rift valley was formed between Indian subcontinent and Madagascar, which is very similar to what we see in African Rift Valley. Now this Rift Valley converted into a mid-oceanic ridge which separated Madagascar from Indian subcontinent. Post breakup, the Western Ghats appeared like a cliff on western edge. The Western Ghats were thus formed as a continuous chain of mountains with very steep slope on the western side and gentle slope on eastern side. Due to such a look, the Western Ghats are also called Great Escarpment of India. The Western Ghats height increases from north to south. That is, the southern part of Western Ghats have taller mountains compared to northern part of Western Ghats. The width of Western Ghats also increases in southern side. The Indian subcontinent, while moving towards the Eurasian plate, passed over Reunion hotspot. This Reunion hotspot suddenly became active and large amount of lava was poured out on Indian plate, creating the Deccan lava traps of Peninsular Plateau. And it is because of these lava eruptions from Reunion hotspot, the Western Ghats from Tapti to Goa have basaltic rock formation, while Western Ghats from Karnataka to Kerala have granitic or gneiss rock formation. The Western Ghats can be divided into three parts for easier understanding of the characteristics of Western Ghats. The northern Western Ghats extend from Tapti to Goa, while the central Western Ghats extend from Karnataka to Palghat Pass in Kerala. And the southern Western Ghats start from Palghat and extend till Kanyakumari in the south. The Western Ghats in this region is made of Deccan lava traps, where the lava solidified to form stair-like structure. The stairs in Swedish is called traps, and it is because of this the lava which solidified to form stair-like structure is called lava traps or Deccan lava traps. Therefore, the meaning of Deccan lava traps is Deccan lava stairs. Moreover, in the northern Western Ghats, we see that some of the mountain ranges from Western Ghats extend in east direction into the Deccan Plateau. The important ranges extending in the eastern direction are Ajanta or Satmal Range, Balaghat Range, Harishchandra Range, and Mahadev Range. We will discuss these ranges in detail in another video. The major peaks of northern Western Ghats are Kalsubai Peak, which is 1646 meter tall, Salher Peak near Nasik, which is 1567 meter tall, Mahabaleshwar Peak, and Harishchandra Gad Peak. Next is Middle Western Ghats, which extend from Goa to Palghat Pass of Kerala. This region of Western Ghats is made of granite and gneiss. The Kudarmukh is an important peak along with Puspagiri Peak in Karnataka. Vavulmala Peak, located at tri-junction of districts of Malapuram, Kozhikode and Wayanad in Kerala, is 2339 meter height, and it is the highest peak of Western Ghats north of Nilgiri Mountains. At the tri-junction of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, we have Nilgiri Mountains. It is in Nilgiris the Biligiranga mountain ranges of Eastern Ghats meet Western Ghats. So Nilgiri Hills are the meeting point of Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Doda Beta is the highest peak of Nilgiri Hills and it has an elevation of 2637 meters. Just south of Nilgiri Hills we have Palakkad or Palghat Gap. It separates central Western Ghats from southern Western Ghats. The Palakkad Gap is a very big valley in otherwise continuous Western Ghats. The southern Western Ghats include mountain ranges like Annamalai Hills, Palani Hills, Cardamom Hills, where the Cardamom Hills are also called as Ilamalai Hills, as well as Agasthamalai Hills. The highest peak of Western Ghats is Anamuddi Peak and it is located in Annamalai Hills. The Annamalai Hills is separated from Nilgiri Hills by Palakkad Gap. The Annamalai Hills, the Palani Hills and the Cardamom Hills meet near Anamuddi Peak of Annamalai Hills. The Palani Hills lie to the east of Annamalai Hill while the Cardamom Hill lie to the south of Annamalai Hill. Senkotta Gap separates Cardamom Hills from Agastmalai Hills. The Agastmalai Hills are the southernmost part of Western Ghats. Now we will discuss all these subdivisions of Western Ghats in another video. Now let's see some important passes which enables connectivity from one side of Western Ghats to other side. The major passes of Western Ghats are Thal Ghat, which is also called Thul Ghat or Kasara Ghat. It is located in Maharashtra and provides connectivity between Mumbai and Nasik. Second important pass is Bhor Ghat Pass, which is located between Mumbai and Pune. Another important pass in Western Ghat is Pal Ghat, also called as Palakkad Gap. It is a big gap in the otherwise continuous Western Ghats. It is located on borders of Kerala and Tamil Nadu and it connects Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu with Palakkad in Kerala. The fourth important pass is Senkotta Gap, which is also located on borders of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The Senkotta Gap joins the Madurai city in Tamil Nadu with the Kottayam district in Kerala. The Western Ghats is also source of many rivers in peninsular India. Major river originating here flow towards eastern direction because of the eastward slope of Deccan Plateau. The major rivers originating from Western Ghats and flowing towards the Bay of Bengal are Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna and Tungabhadra rivers, while some of the major westwards flowing rivers are Periyar, Bharatpuja, Pamba, Netravati, Saravati, Mandovi and Juari rivers. The west flowing rivers move with a very high speed because of the high slope of Western Ghats on the western side. Now let's see the effect of Western Ghats on regional climate. The Western Ghats block the southwesterly monsoon winds and cause heavy orographic rainfall on the western side of Western Ghats. And at the same time, they decrease the rainfall on the eastern side of Western Ghats, creating a rain shadow region. The Western Ghats are taller and wider in the southern side. Therefore, monsoon winds find it difficult to cross Western Ghats in southern part. And therefore, very low rainfall occurs in the rain shadow regions of Deccan Plateau. Due to very heavy rainfall in Western Ghats, the western slopes of Western Ghats mainly have subtropical moist broadleaf forest predominantly formed by trees of rosewood, mahogany, cedar and others, while eastern slopes of Western Ghats have dry to moist deciduous forests. The forests in the northern Western Ghats are drier than forests in southern Western Ghats because southern Western Ghats get more rainfall than northern Western Ghats. Because of high density of forests in Western Ghats, it supports high biodiversity. Western Ghats support large variety of flora and fauna, and many species are endemic to this region. Western Ghats is one of the world's 10 hottest biodiversity hotspots. There are a total of 39 protected regions across Western Ghats, which include national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and reserve forests. Out of the 39 protected regions, 19 are in Kerala, 10 are in Karnataka, and 6 are in Tamil Nadu, while 4 in Maharashtra. Besides these, there are also 2 biosphere reserves in Western Ghats. First is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, which includes part of Wayanad, Nagarhole, Bandipur, Madumalai, Nilambur, Silent Valley and Siruvani Hills protected regions, and it is spread across Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. The second biosphere reserve is Agastyamalaya Biosphere Reserve, which includes Nayyar, Pepara and Senduruni wildlife sanctuaries and their adjoining areas in Kerala. Western Ghats also have economic importance. It is rich source of minerals like iron, manganese and bauxite ores. The forests provide timber as raw material which supports industries like paper, plywood, polyfibers, matchwood and others. We can also see large-scale plantations of tea, coffee, oil, palm and rubber across Western Ghats. Large number of dams are built across Western Ghats which generate hydroelectricity. I hope you liked our video on Western Ghats, and do watch our second video on Western Ghats where we will discuss all the sub-ranges of Western Ghats in detail. Please do not forget to subscribe the video, and if you have liked the video then share it with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.